Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, OpenAI yesterday launched another new product and it's called ChatGPT Agent. It is basically the same as the Manus, but here the interesting thing is that it has combined three things in one. What is that? Here you see this is the official blog post that it brings together three strengths of earlier breakthroughs. One is the operator that we have already seen about this ChatGPT operator. Basically, from this operator, you will get the ability to interact with the website like the click event. Okay, and also they have added this deep research. So from this deep research, you will get the ability for the skill in synthesizing information and also this ChatGPT intelligence. So these three things, operator, deep research, and ChatGPT intelligence, they have combined this and they have given the name as the ChatGPT agent. And I have found one funny comment on Twitter that soon some influencers will be like, new ChatGPT agent is life changing. I have achieved 100x productivity with it, and here are 10 ways to use it. And I actually laughed after reading this comment because I have seen over the internet or over the YouTube that many creators have made a video on this ChatGPT agent, but many of them have not shown us the actual use cases of ChatGPT agent, and that's why he has made this type of comment that soon some influencers will be like, new ChatGPT agent is life changing, and it is actually life changing. So for you guys, I have found some of the examples I have gathered all together in one place. So after watching this video, you will find that how ChatGPT agent is actually useful. So I'm starting from this account. So this is the AI frontliner, and they have posted this ChatGPT agent use cases. So here you see, okay, ChatGPT agent is scary good. It is like hiring an intern who never sleeps, never forgets, and finishes your task before you finish typing. So it is actually an AI who doesn't have any sleep, forget, and it can finish any type of task. So some powerful use cases. Here you see, build a retirement plan in 20 minutes. So this is the first task. And here you see they have given this simple plan, and it has generated in a more structured way with the PPT, means the PowerPoint presentation, and the proper plan, all of that things. Now the next thing is that here you see, help you delegate tasks. Now this is a pretty good example. Here you see that find a beach trench coat under 500. Any website is fine and must be under 500 including shipping, must have a belt and double breasted buttons, blah blah blah, and all of that information it has given. So here you see that if you want to use the agent mode, then in that case you need a pro or plus subscription or an enterprise level subscription, and free users will not get access to this agent mode now, but maybe in future they can give some limitation access to this free user, but now currently no free user are able to use this agent mode. So for that, to use it, you need the at least pro subscription. Okay, sorry, plus subscription. And here you see that you can turn on this agent mode here and you can give these things. And if I turn on this video again, then you will see that it will found that information. uh, and here you see it will set its own desktop. So if I show you that here you see it is searching in its own desktop. So if I take you to that blog post, here you see that ChatGPT carried out this task using its own virtual computer, fluidly shifting between reasoning and action to handle complex workflows from start to finish, all based on your instructions. So here you see that most importantly, you are always in control, and ChatGPT requests permissions before taking any actions of consequence. And you can easily interrupt and take over the browser or stop task at any point. And this is very much necessary when you are working this kind of agent. So if you suppose you have logged in, or suppose you are searching one product on Amazon, and there after when you will buy that product through this ChatGPT agent, then it needs to log in to this Amazon, and in that case it needs that information, email ID and password. So in that case it will ask the permission that would you like to log into this website. then tell me your email or password. Okay, so this is actually required. So that's why ChatGPT request permission before taking any action of consequence, right? Now if I again back to that page, here you see it is doing that, and this is another example that helps you make a reservation at a Tesco shop. And if you ask it to do that, so one by one it will do that. It will set, or it will search all of that information in this Tesco shop, and it will find that information and will give you. Browse website, research topic, complete task in real time on its virtual computer. And here you see that do research, build Excel files with formulas, and create PowerPoints autonomously. So this is actually a good example of ChatGPT agent. Here you see that come up with an innovative startup idea in the AI and education space, do market research on it, and come up with financial and build me a pitch deck. So here you see that it is asking some of the more informations, and I want it to be something what an MBA can do without a huge amount of technical background. And after that, it has asked some things, and you choose. And here you see work for 38 minutes, and after this 38 minutes the result that it has given, it is actually amazing. It has prepared a whole Excel sheet. And here you see that if you want to prepare this Excel sheet manually, then it will take a lot of time. And also it has added some of the tabs. If you see below, it has added these tabs, and inside this each tab it has put a lot of things to prepare this Excel, and all of this year 1, year 2, year 3 cost, total information it has given. And not only that Excel file, it has prepared that a beautiful PowerPoint presentation PPT also. So this much capability this um, ChatGPT agent has. Okay, and also identify your core customer. Here you see this is another example. And watch model pull data from Drive and make PowerPoint slide inside virtual computer. So you can do a lot of things, and I have found this ChatGPT agent actually powerful and helpful. So I think that you should use it. And those who are using Manus, I will request you to try this ChatGPT agent. And by the way, I will give this thread link in description. So if you go there, you will also find it, and you will check that how much capability it has. And also Sam Altman written some things that we have built a lot of safeguards and warnings into it, and border mitigations that we have ever developed from before, from robust training to system safeguards to use control, but we cannot anticipate everything. And in the spirit of iterative deployment, we are going to warn users heavily and give users freedom to take actions carefully if they want to. And another thing that he has mentioned, that we don't know exactly what is the impacts are going to be, but bad actors may try to trick users, AI agents, into giving private information they should not, and take actions they should not, in ways we cannot predict. We recommend giving agents the minimum access required to complete the task to reduce privacy and security risk. And obviously, when you are using any agent like this, Manas, or it can be ChatGPT agent, there is a risk of privacy and security, because you are giving your own information, right? You are logging to their virtual computer, that agent's virtual computer, and you suppose you are giving your email and password. So this is, there is actually a lot of privacy and security risk. But this OpenAI is a very big company, so if you want to use it, then you can give your information. And obviously there is a risk when you are using an internet, right? And for example, I can give agent access to my calendar to find a time that works for a group dinner, but I don't need to give it access if I am just asking it to buy some clothes. Okay, so you can give access to this agent, whatever the minimum things that is required. Don't give access to all of that things. Okay, unnecessary things. Don't give access to unnecessary things. And here you see, another thing that I wanted to share with you, okay, the benchmarks. So if you go to their official website, openai.com, then they have given some of the pretty good examples that you can see. Slide source it can make spreadsheets, it can do a research and action, all other things. And also they have shared some of the benchmarks that are actually good. And this is the benchmark that humanities last exam, HLE, this is actually a tough exam, an evaluation that measures AI's performance across a broad range of subjects on expert level question. And the model powering ChatGPT agent scores a new pass at 41.6. And here you see that it is better than all other models. It is better than O3, it is better than deep research. Okay, and this is a frontier math benchmark. There also it has performed well. And the cool things that I have found that ChatGPT don't compare its model with the another models. Like it don't compare its model with the DeepSeek or Gemini or Gork, whatever is available. So it always compare its own model and with the other own models. Okay. And this is the thing, DS bench, another benchmark for data science task and data analysis and modeling. And there also it is performing best. Spreadsheet bench, it is for the Excel and to edit the spreadsheet derived from real world scenario and outperform existing all other models by significant margins. So it is beating this Copilot in Excel also. So I hope that this video is helpful for you guys. So you please go to this website and you please check that how much capability it has, because there are lots of benchmark it has given. So it is not possible to discuss each and every benchmark. And you please go there and please check it and let me know your experience in the comment section. And by the way, I have given all of this link that is required in the description. You please check that. So if you found this video helpful and if you want to get this type of videos more daily, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.